775 here, showing off our little chicken coop from East Tennessee Coops. Justin and his dad Brian came down and delivered this coop to us and built the little run attached to it. Did a really nice job. My wife is so happy. She saw this on Facebook. This is a replica of a independent Baptist church up in East Tennessee. And anyway, go check out East Tennessee Coops. And well, I gotta watch my back. This Crovid, our barred rock, he will spur you in a heartbeat if you're not paying attention. He's very protective of his East Tennessee coop. So let's show you the coop. It's great. We've already had raccoons trying to get in. So we put down, this has been very effective for us. This was something we added. Just put fencing down up to the coop, and when the raccoons and predators come up, they don't know to start digging from way back here. And so that's just been super effective. So let me see if there's any girls in here now. Oh, of course there is. Oh, they're making a mess. Oh, look at that. Nice. So we have these washable nesting boxes. I'm watching Crovid because he's about to come get me. This is great. Just a little burned finish. It's okay, girl. It's all right. We've got chimes in here. We got LED lights. This is a cool little chicken coop. And I better bring the eggs back. So they're loving the coop. They took right to it. And oh, there he is. He's going to come play and show you how aggressive he is. Aren't you, Crovid? Anyway, check out East Tennessee Coops. Highly recommended. Chickens love. Oh, he's gonna come get me. I can just sense it. So if you don't buy an East Tennessee coop, Crovid will be upset. Well, he's always upset. But anyway, check out the rest of the video and how they delivered the coop and put it together, and they'll do it for you. All right, just a little shout out. Come on, Crovid, you gonna show your stuff? Show everybody how friendly you are. I know you really like your new chicken coop, your new chicken church. He's the head elder chicken. He's taking care of the flock. This is Engineer 775 signing out.